Are you ready to transform your skills into high-paying opportunities? Let's dive into creating a killer freelance profile on Toptal. First things first, head over to the Toptal website and click on Apply to Join, or a similar button, usually prominently displayed. Prepare to get started. You will then begin to enter the essential credentials. You'll be prompted to enter your full name, a valid email address, and create a strong password. Double-check everything and make sure you'll remember it later. Next, you'll choose your skill set. Select the discipline that represents your expertise. Be specific. You'll be offered to choose from a long list, so choose the correct skill to make sure you're targeting the right opportunities. You are required to indicate your level of experience. Ensure you fill out the questionnaire carefully. It can indicate how many years of experience you have in that field, so clients know straight away if you're a good fit. Now for the heart of your profile, showcasing your skills. In the profile section, craft a compelling headline. Write a concise professional summary highlighting your key strengths and experience. Don't forget to add relevant skills as keywords to make your profile searchable. To really impress clients, provide links to your portfolio or showcase your work samples. Display the best of the best and tailor your portfolio to reflect your target clients' needs. High-quality work will show off your talent to the top clients on Toptal. Once you are done, submit your application and get ready for Toptal's rigorous review process. This is your chance to shine and get noticed for your top talent. Good luck.